Hello digital how-tos. Today I wanted to show you guys how you can make an image, use someone's prompt and make your own image out of it. So for example, if you go to the community feed right here in your midjourney.com, then you're going to scroll through, what you like and stuff. So let's say I like this. I'm going to click the three dots right here, click copy, full command, and then you go in here and you're going to paste that. So you're going to do /imagine and you're going to paste that. At this point, you're going to change what you want here. So instead of a girl, I'm going to put a boy standing in the rain, and then you can add stuff or take out stuff, and then you press enter and it's going to show up. So I've pre-done it because it takes a little bit. So it came out with this instead of the girl. So this is my image from this one that I got. That's a girl. And it came out quite nice, I would have to say. So with that, I clicked U2 and U4. So I upscaled this one and I upscaled this one because I like those two. And then we're going to scroll down, and that's how that looks like. And that looks really cool. So then I can light upscale redo for that one. And I can also do it for this one. Or I can keep it like this. And that looks really, really cool right there. So a lot of people, they get upset when someone's copying their prompts and using it. So you don't necessarily have to copy anyone's prompts. You just basically take their prompt, change whatever you want in their prompt, and you can go to your community feed and look at random stuff that people make and not copy it, but totally change the prompt in there. So let's find a different one and I'll show you. Let's see what we want to do here. Okay, this looks really cool. Actually, I like this one. So let's copy the prompt, full command, and then we're just going to take that out and we're going to imagine two people sitting. So we're going to put two dogs sitting on a glossy spaceship environment in the middle of the galaxy. Press enter. And then I'm going to click my happy face, click my mailbox, so then it goes in there. And this is the upscale version of it. So I don't quite like that because that's starting to look, let's do a detailed one. And let's look for, this one's still going. The original looks pretty good already. And I like that. And then from here, you can literally take your image and you can use Lightroom, and then you can go in and make it even brighter, or Canva, whichever app you want to use. So let's see here. So my two dogs are going right now. See, that doesn't look that great. I don't like that. So, okay, so now that it's done, it actually looks really good. So I'm going to upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, and upscale 4. And you can put this on a t-shirt if people are like dog lovers and stuff. So this is the image that I made from this. This is the original prompt from this person. And I just changed it to dogs and I made that. So it's quite easy, and you can literally, get inspiration from the community feed, change the prompt, and then you can make your own prompt, and it looks really, really good. Let me show you. So, yeah, this guy is looking quite unrealistic now. But the rain looks nice and stuff. And so I would take this image, I would go into Lightroom, and I would just brighten it up and make it look nice, and then I can throw it on a t-shirt. But I really like this the dog ones. They're so cute. So I hope this was easy for you. and I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to ever save your image also, I wanted to show you. You go to your MidJourney, you go home, and you go into, so this is the image that we got. So if I wanted to save this, or this guy, click the three dots, save image, and it's saving right now into my computer, and it's in my computer. And then you can use it for whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, friends.